So Dún Laoghaire Down County Council have just launched the Climate Action Plan for 2024 to 2029. As part of one of our actions in the plan is to support the EU SCORE project to understand what's happening along our coast, how we can protect the infrastructure, public transport such as the Dart line that runs along the coast. So this project is really important for understanding what's happening on our beaches and what we can do to protect them. The incidence of more extreme weather events is increasing all the time, so we need to understand how that's going to impact the coast and the services that we provide.
I just generally think it's really interesting that we get to discover more about our beaches.
I think it's really good that the community is getting involved so the children around the area can learn about it.
We've been delighted to be part of the Smart Pebbles project. It's been a great collaborative project between a few different schools. My class has really enjoyed being out in nature and exploring the sea, the coastline, and they've really developed a big interest in their local area because of the project.
We take a personal interest in this beach because we're always very concerned about erosion, about what's happening to the sand and the sea, and many of us are daily swimmers also. So this project of having these magical pebbles on the beach where we can trace erosion and movement over time is really very important.